Down at the foot of the bed, or
Hi, welcome to Delicate Dark Girl. We have a package. Ba-bum. We're gonna try on eyeballs. Now, I ordered 4 very distinct colors, and there was actually a problem because they didn't have a certain color in stock. So, I had to put in another color for them to send. So, we're both gonna see together what actually shows up. Of them that wasn't there was the juice pink. The juice pink is the one that you probably see on here all the time. And what's this? That was nice because I definitely only ordered 4. So let's see. We got juice blue, the Bailey green, juice brown, and then stellar brown, and then whatever this is, a little brown situation, a brownish yellow. We'll try those on last because I might keep them on. Okay, let's start with stellar brown. You're seeing them before I am. How do they look? Do they look crazy? I'm scared. I'm just going to put the sticker on the case that I will keep them in for the moment of truth. Okay. Not bad. From like a distance, I don't think they're so bad. And I think with certain makeup looks I do, they'll be okay. I don't know if I like how like milky, like whitish they are without any like striation with the brown, but they look kind of, I don't know how else to say it, but lizardy. Anyway, on to the next. Juice brown. Now juice, come on now, juicy. I want to see this one before you. Oh, I love it. Oh, yeah. The third eye, they have this line of colored contacts that have juice before the name. If you're looking for something that really blends with the eye that you already have, for some reason it stands out as its own eye, but it just looks better, like as a colored contact. Other colored contacts look to me too solid, and so they create like this big contrast, but these like blend. That makes me even sadder that I didn't get juice pink. I'm gonna do Bailey green, and then the last one will be juice blue because I know I'll be the least disappointed in the juice ones. You guys can see these first. How do they look? I tried to find ones that look like they would leave room for my natural eye color to breathe through. Bleed through? Bleed through. This one is not that. It kind of reminds me of the stellar brown. I don't like it. The only thing about it is that the website had this was like a BOGO. Buy 2 get 2 free. Maybe I need to get used to them. Maybe I can just use them purely for cosplay. I think it's the center circle. It's too round. What do y'all think? I think I'll use it strictly for cosplay. It's not that the color is too bad for against my skin. It's just that I don't think I prefer how they did the styling of the green. I don't know. I think if it had like a little more brown on that inner corner, or if the circle, or if the inner circle was a little more uneven, like loose, it's really tight. So it'll be interesting. I'm gonna do a makeup with it and see how I feel. Now we're doing the juice blue. Again, blue is another new color for me, and but I'm hoping that I'm hoping that the fact that they're part of the juice party or the juice clan of contacts there, I'm hoping that will carry it through so it won't be too bad. Kind of like it. From afar, it's cute. Kind of reminds me of glaucoma. It's alright. It's interesting. I wouldn't say it's cute. This one, I could definitely see me growing to like it. Like, once I put it on a third, a second time. I mean, a second, a third time. And now the ones that I will probably keep in and do my homework. Guys. Boom. What are they talking about? I can see why I didn't order them. They're not bad. They're not bad. They're not bad. But once again, making me feel a little lizardy. I'm gonna keep these in and do my homework. Bye.
Bed, or down at the foot of the bed.